Hello, I'm your friend, Teacher Sam, and today we'll explore how self-help can significantly enhance your English learning skills. Now you may be wondering, what is self-help? Well, in the context of language learning, self-help refers to the strategies and tools you can use independently to improve your skills. It's about taking charge of your own learning journey. In this video, we'll delve into three crucial aspects of this journey. First, we'll discuss self-study strategies, exploring how you can structure your study time to get the most out of it. Then, we'll talk about the role of technology in learning English, from apps to online resources. Finally, we'll touch on the importance of maintaining a positive attitude throughout your learning process. So, buckle up and prepare yourself for an enlightening journey into the realm of self-help in English learning. The first step to effective self-help in English learning is developing efficient self-study strategies. Now, let's dive into the world of self-study and explore how it can supercharge your English learning journey. Self-study is more than just hitting the books on your own. It's about taking charge of your learning process, setting your own pace, and exploring different resources to make your learning experience rich and fulfilling. Firstly, setting achievable goals is a crucial part of any self-study plan. Having clear, specific goals gives you a sense of direction. For example, instead of saying, "I want to improve my English," you could say, "I want to learn 20 new vocabulary words each week," or "I want to be able to hold a 10-minute conversation in English by the end of the month." These are actionable, measurable goals that can guide your study sessions and keep you motivated. Next, create a study schedule that fits your lifestyle. Consistency is key when it comes to learning a new language. Whether it's 30 minutes a day or 3 hours every Sunday, find a routine that works for you and stick to it. Lastly, don't limit yourself to one textbook or learning platform. The world is full of resources to help you improve your English. Explore different books, apps, websites, podcasts, and even movies and music. Each resource offers a unique perspective and allows you to learn in diverse ways. By adopting these strategies, you are not just studying English, but you're also learning how to learn. You're becoming an independent learner who is capable of setting your own goals, planning your own study schedule, and finding resources that best suit your learning style. This independence will not only make your English learning journey more effective, but also more enjoyable. Remember, the key to successful self-study is consistency and commitment. So, stay consistent, stay committed, and you'll see a significant improvement in your English proficiency. Now let's move on to our next topic, harnessing technology for learning. Technology can be a powerful ally in your quest to learn English. In the digital age, we're lucky to have a multitude of resources at our fingertips, making the journey of language learning more accessible and engaging than ever before. Let's start with language learning apps. These apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Rosetta Stone turn learning into a game, making it fun and interactive. They offer exercises to improve your vocabulary and grammar, with immediate feedback to help you correct mistakes. These apps often have speech recognition technology, enabling you to practice your pronunciation until you get it right. Next, we have online dictionaries. Gone are the days of flipping through thick, heavy paper dictionaries. Today, online dictionaries like Oxford Learner's Dictionaries or Cambridge English Dictionary not only provide word definitions, but also give audio pronunciations, synonyms, antonyms, and example sentences. This way you can understand the context in which a word is used and hear how it's pronounced by native speakers. Another fantastic digital tool is language exchange websites. Websites like Tandem or HelloTalk connect you with native English speakers who want to learn your language. This way you can help each other out, practicing your speaking and listening skills in a real-life context. You can chat, send voice messages, or even have video calls. It's like having a friend from across the globe. And let's not forget about YouTube channels, podcasts, and audiobooks. They offer a vast array of content for you to improve your listening skills and learn about different accents and dialects. You can immerse yourself in English no matter where you are. The key to harnessing technology for learning is to use it wisely. Balance your time between different tools, ensuring that you're working on all aspects of the language: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Remember that consistency is key, so make it a part of your daily routine. Technology, when used wisely, can significantly enhance your English learning experience. Your attitude can make a world of difference in your English learning journey. Think of your attitude as the steering wheel of a car. It's what guides you, what keeps you on track, and ultimately, what determines the direction of your journey. When it comes to learning English, or any new skill for that matter, maintaining a positive attitude is absolutely crucial. Why? Because your attitude is what fuels your motivation. It's what pushes you to overcome obstacles, to take on challenges head on, and to never give up, even when the going gets tough. It's what makes you say, yes, I can do this, instead of, it's too hard, I give up. You see, learning a new language, especially English, isn't always a walk in the park. There will be times when you'll stumble upon a difficult word or a complex grammatical structure. There will be moments when you'll feel overwhelmed, confused, and perhaps even a tad frustrated. But that's where a positive attitude comes in. When you approach learning with positivity, you transform these challenges into opportunities for growth. You change your perspective and start seeing these hurdles not as obstacles, but as stepping stones towards your goal. And this shift in mindset can make the learning process not just more manageable, but also more enjoyable. But a positive attitude is not just about feeling good. It's about empowering yourself to learn better. It's about believing in your abilities, being patient with your progress, and celebrating your small victories. It's about understanding that every mistake you make is a chance to learn something new, and every challenge you overcome is a testament to your resilience and determination. Remember, your attitude is like a magnet. What you think, you attract. If you think you can, you're right. If you think you can't, you're also right. So why not choose to think you can? Why not choose positivity? So the next time you find yourself struggling with a difficult English lesson, don't let negativity cloud your mind. Instead, embrace the challenge with a positive attitude. Keep your chin up, stay focused, and remember, every step, no matter how small, is a step forward. A positive attitude is not just about feeling good, it's about empowering yourself to learn better. So we've discovered how self-help can revolutionize your English learning process. Let's recap. We've dived into the world of self-study strategies, exploring the power of discipline, consistency, and the use of various resources at your disposal. We've also highlighted the role of technology in learning, demonstrating how you can leverage digital tools and platforms to enhance your English skills. And let's not forget the magic ingredient, a positive attitude. Remember, your mindset plays a pivotal role in your learning journey. Embracing challenges, persisting in the face of difficulties, and celebrating small victories can make a world of difference. The beauty of self-help lies in its flexibility and adaptability to your unique learning style. It empowers you to take charge of your English learning journey, fostering independence, resilience, and a lifelong love for learning. Embrace the power of self-help and watch your English skills soar. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to download a book that will further aid you in improving your English learning skills. Until next time, keep learning.